How to make tubula salata, guys, in Arabian food salata. First, you put mint, and then tomato, and then onion, and then she put bakdunis,
Parsley.
After that, she put a burgol. That is called a burgol, guys. Then mix it. Looks yummy, guys. Then she cover. And ready to serve na yan, guys.
No, pwede na.
Before you serve, put a lemon juice.